Happy birthday, Tita. God bless and more strength and always nang good halong. I love you, Tita.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. God bless at along ng perme.
Happy birthday. Keep safe lang da.
Tita, happy birthday and God bless. Hello, Tita Bibeng. Happy birthday. Halong, da perme. I love you. Keep fight. Hello, Tita Bibeng. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Bibeng. God bless. And halong da perme.
Birthday, Tita. I love you. God bless you. Tita Bibeng. God bless. Halong, I love you.
Birthday, Tita Bibeng. Na safe kagida subong. God bless. Halong.
Birthday, Tita Bibeng. Kabaita na yung mahayo ka na si mo sakit kag tumulang gina.
Birthday, Tita. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Ta. Happy birthday. Love you.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Tita Bibeng. Thank you for everything you've done for us. We are always here for you no matter what, and we are always with you in all of your battles. Just keep on fighting, for with God, nothing is impossible. We love you and we miss you. Keep safe. God bless, Tita Bibeng. And thank you also to the Meta and Parik family for taking care of Aunt Bibeng to overcome the pain she is dealing with. May God bless you all.
Ito na, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa mga birthday niyo ng maayong lawas ng gida, ng likaw lang kita sa malain niya ginhawa, ng syempre, despite sa sinisubong pandemic, don't forget to wear face mask gid ha, ng syempre salamat gid sa tanan niya nga bulig, nga ginhatag mo, syempre sa amon, sa akon, kag salamat sa inspiration man, kag sa pag-teach akon sa maayo nga pamatasan man, syempre bisan ka pinasaway ko ila ni mama nang ginhambalan mo ko, kag syempre syempre pamati ko sa imo nang syempre nauya mo dan sa imo tanay kay ikaw nadaan ga suporta ni sa pag-eskwela ko. Mayong lawas ng tanay nang syempre nakagraduate ka naman subong sa imo kimo. Syempre salamat man sa imo nga mga amo kay hindi tungod sa ila. Kay tungod sa ila, syempre na mula kada subong nakalabot sa US kag nakakwa sang residency sang US, syempre tungod man sang goodness sang heart mo, kag syempre nang positive lang titanay sa liwatanay ng happy birthday gid. God bless nanda nang keep safe and I love you. Bye bye.
See, may all your dreams come true on your special day. I wish I were as good a sister to you as you are to me. I'm so lucky to have you. I love you. I missed you. Happy birthday.
Surprise! Go sister. Happy birthday. Today is your born day. Just wanna say thank you for your support, especially our financial needs, that despite of your health, you are strong enough to face, even though it is hard to accept it. But you are not alone, sis. We are here to support you no matter what happened. We are always here for you. Once again, happy birthday. We love you. To Imi, Sanjay, and Surajib, thank you for taking care for my sister Grace. I salute for your kindness, guys. Take care always, and stay strong. Bye. Thank you.